Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing Car Crushers 2 on Roblox. And, yeah. I'm gonna do a few derbies. And I don't normally spend Robux on games, but I had some leftover Robux from last time when I had to buy Robux for the Season Pass on Dragon Adventures, because I like some of the Season Pass creatures. Not very many, but I like some of them. So I don't get it often, but sometimes I do, and I did recently, and I had some left over. I had like 400 left over, so I spent some Robux I spent Robux on this game. All I did was buy neon for the car so it looks better, and neon lights for the underglow, which is like, that was like, in total that was like 60 Robux. It was like nothing. It's like, that's basically the equivalent to $1. Ooh, and we get to pick the map because that's the last match on my map. Good, because I don't like the aircraft carrier anyways. I don't really care for it, to be honest. I don't fall off it a lot, but it makes it easier to ram your opponents off it, I guess. Bruh. Oh yeah, I forgot. I don't know if you guys know this, but you can literally name, like you can change the name of car brands and stuff. Ankles. Oh yeah, perfect. This is exactly what I needed. Obliteration. Haha. I slowed him down for you, bro. However, I would not mind. Oh, come on, buddy. Are you idiot? How? Okay, that was a bit laggy. I'm gonna slip the bus over. Help me. I'm being pummeled. How did I miss that? Get pin maneuvered. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You know, this truck has like 80 different things on it. Oh yeah, I didn't realize they had a shield. Oh yes, this is what I needed. I knocked him out with that. Oh, that's good. Man, did I destroy some of them. Give that to me. Thank you, thank you. Oh, there's 2. Dude, let's go. Ah, oh, dang it, somebody else takes the other one. Get to maneuver. Bruh. Oh, this is glitchy, it's glitchy. It's a glitchy mess, that's what it is. Bruh. Are you still alive? I can't tell if that dude's alive or not. How did that do so much damage to my car but not his? What? By the way, if you guys ever need a tutorial on like any game, I can get you one. I'm really good at doing tutorials. Because on the games I play, I'm normally pretty good at them. Dude, let me move. Jeez. I just guided him into his death. Don't take that missile. Thank you. I actually kind of need that, I'm not gonna lie. Come on, I need somebody who's not moving much. How much damage did I do to that dude? It looks like I sent him all the way up the Grand Canyon. I feel like I'm in a Formula F1 race. There's so many crashes that happen in the Formula races, bro. You I just destroyed his car. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bro, I wrecked him. Imagine that happening in some sort of movie, bro. Dude, if that happened in like Fast and the Furious, that would be like the coolest thing ever because their damage is always so insane. I did not mean to roadblock him like an idiot. But, you know, whatever. Really? I mean, I'm making a lot of money from these races. My cousin doesn't know what to think of him because he plays this game and he's never played the game that much. He's still like a decent beginner, I guess you could call it. But, me and my other cousin used to play this game a lot and we love this game. Sadly, he doesn't have internet and he hasn't for like the last 2 years, so I haven't seen him in quite a while. But, you know. Thank you. Good thing he missed me because he had a missile. Oh, that was a missile right there. Oof. I need that. Bro, what the flip, bro? Why is it so glitchy? It just kept flinging him into me. Why does it do that all the time? But anyways, like I was saying, me and my cousin, like, basically me and my favorite cousin used to play this game a lot. And so I got pretty far ahead of him because I was kind of expecting my cousin to come back after a while. And he didn't, so I haven't played this game in a while, but I'm still decent at it. But, so I'm still ahead of my other cousin, but, like, he's still a beginner. So, basically my point is he doesn't know what to think of it because he's a beginner and he doesn't know what's good and what's not. I mean, I've rammed him. Okay, yeah, let me respawn. Oh, yes. Yeah, I just did a 5-car pileup, bro. That didn't help me at all. Hello, man. Ah, where's the horn? There's the horn. Sadly, the horn doesn't work that well, but I mean, you can at least use it. You just hit H and it does this weird honk. You can't actually, like, make it sound cool or anything. What? Did I destroy his car? Is that what that does? Come on, man. There we go. Oh, come on, I need to hit the bus. What the flip was that? Yeah, I love winning those races, bro. I used to always think, like, the people who spend Robux on this game are pretty bad, but you can't do much with Robux, I'm not gonna lie. It's just actually skill. Because I never play any driving games when I found this game yet. Plus $30, plus $20, plus $88. Oh no, credits, not dollars, alright. That's good. Credits. Nah, team conversion, please. Come on, guys, please pick team conversion. Thank you. I mean, it's a snowball, but it's better than the tanks. The tanks suck. There's always somebody that has, like, flipping... Oh, there's a Dodge Viper. I definitely can't afford the Dodge Viper. The cars in this game are so overpriced, but, you know, whatever. Come on, people, pick your cars. Oh. Sure. What am I doing? Oh yeah, I got that one. Oh, that is my favorite car. Oh, come on. Oh, you literally have to do this purely by snowball fighting. Oh, how'd you miss that? My teammate might have just saved me. What the flip is going on, bro? Why is it so laggy, bro? Whoa! Dang it, bro, I can't get a hit. I hate this. I knew I did, it's always a pain. Oh, dude, it's impossible to hit these guys, bro. Oh, you can hit them. I don't know why I couldn't. Oh, there's a neutral we're gonna have to take care of. Oh, I missed. Whatever, I'm better off ramming them anyways. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm useless. You guys had to carry me, but whatever. One guy was called a skilled crusher. Can you tell me what I am? I actually don't know what I am, to be honest. Why does people do that? Everybody just switches sides. Mark. Hey, it's Markiplier. Bomb tag. I've only done 2 of these matches, but for what I've figured out, I'm pretty good at it. The only time I can't get it is when somebody's like hacking and has the fastest car on planet Earth for no reason. Like one time I was playing and somebody had this thing, and he was able to make it go like Mach. Like it acted like he had a booster on it or something. He'd literally turn around and he'd just like basically teleport to the other side of the map. He went so fast. So it was not even fair to anybody. Eventually he got kicked, but it took quite a flippin' while. Come on, people. Ooh, that's a nice Mazda. A Mazda. Mazdas always look so happy. I don't know why, but that just makes them look happy the way their car design is. That's like a joke only boys will understand, I'm not gonna lie. Oh! I almost died. Can't touch this, nah. Maybe you can't touch this. Okay, for a second I was scared that he was gonna come get me. Oh! I always drive at people just in case if I get the bomb. Always keep the bomb on the complete other side of the map from you. And then, when somebody new is gonna get the bomb, just in case if you do end up getting it, which I don't, get me on the other side of the map immediately. The Ford Bulldozer. I don't know why people pick the Bulldozer so much. Yeah, I seen that one coming. He flipped the truck. Bro, the truck has no chance. Who has the bomb though? Oh, the truck still does. For a second I thought he didn't have it. No, he still does. Whee! Why can't I use my sirens, man? Oh, snap. What? I gave him no time to get rid of it. That is like mainly luck, bruh. Oh, that's a Mazda. It's a Mazda that has it. Get off me, man. Kaboomy. I almost drove right into him. Oh my god, that was close. Haha. Can't touch this. Nah. Ha. Literally like any extra second and he might have ended up actually being able to get me. Okay, that guy has him, and he's already going the right direction. Oh my god, he hit somebody. How do you not transfer it? He's dead. Man, is that, whatever that thing is fast. Oh, they're behind me. You know what? Turn. Just turn, bruh. If you just turn, yeah. Oh, what? Did you guys see that? No way! Oh, that is insane. Dude, that was annoying. He hit me from like 2 miles away. I'm not even joking. Obviously, that's sarcasm. He obviously hit me from like 10 feet away, but still. On my screen, he didn't hit me at all, and apparently he did. Bye-bye. He's dead. Drifting. Got the neon lights. Oh yeah. What? You can actually damage other players somehow? What? That dude ain't got no chance now. Okay, I don't want to end up with a bomb. I think he gave it to me, but I gave it to him. What? Dude, he hit me from like... Dude! What the frick? Did you guys see that? He literally hit me from like a whole mile away. I'm not even joking this time. Like, that's not even sarcasm. He literally hit me from like a whole mile, bro. He hit me from like halfway across the field. That's what? Bruh. What the flip, man? You guys seen that, right? Flippin' gave me the bomb from like 80 million miles away, bro. Double 8 arena. Dude, what was that, man? Really? That was the stupidest thing I've ever seen. Normally I'm pretty good at that. Not when, you know, people are giving me the bomb from all the way across the map. Obviously I'm not good at that. Who can be when, you know, that's basically impossible to do? Like, who can even act like they're good at the game when that happens to them? Bro, can you not, please? Oh, I wanted to send him up the cliff. Whatever. I'll find somebody else to T-bone, like this dude. This unsuspecting police officer. I love spinning people out. It's so overpowered. How did bro not take any damage, bro? Okay, of course he takes damage to that, but he didn't take damage from me going mock. Don't ask me how I knocked him out when he was like at practically half health. Haha! Told you I'd be back. Alright, respawn. Oh yeah. There's a target. I took his other front tire off. What? What is that, bro? Bruh. Really? He had to target me for no reason? What the flip, man? Dude. There's not being able to spawn your car for 14 seconds is stupid. Dude. Dude! Can I get pummeled? Jeez. Maybe this map wasn't such a good idea. Knockout. Knockout. I mean, I didn't knock him out, but I hit him hard. Jeez, bruh. You know, sure, I can't hit him, but I know I can There's someone else. Like, you know, this unsuspecting bus. Dude, can people... What the flip, man? Why is everybody targeting me so much? I've learned it doesn't matter if you hit them or not, or how hard you hit them. All that matters is that you hit, like, you knock pieces off their car, and that's how you take their health away. Oh, you lucky! Dang it, bro. Why did that idiot have to hit me for no reason? What the flip was... Dude, what the flip? What is going on? I just hit air. I hit the air and got a knockout, bro. You know what? Flip you. Ha. And if you guys can see the guy's engine, that normally means that that's basically like a free way to kill him. Because if you hit the engine, that's an instant knockout. Here, somebody got the boost. Can you let me respawn my car already? Dude, why is it gotta take like 30 seconds just to respawn your car? Please. No, bro, I don't want to get a flipping booster so bad. Why do they make it so hard to get boosters? Whoa. Touch the wall. We touched the wall. It's all good. Okay, it's starting to look like a real derby here. Let me get some more. Who did I knock out? Dude, somebody flew in front of me with the booster. He flew in front so fast I didn't even get to see him before he died. Dude, that tiny car is so easy to kill, bro. Like, it's so compact, how do you not kill it in one hit? Besides when you die to it. Dude, the crash physics aren't even that realistic, they just look decent. Oof. Like, they just look super good when there's so many of them close to each other. When you have like 80 cars that crashed and died like right next to each other, it actually looks like a cool real life like pile up or something. It looks, I don't know why, but it's just kind of fun or interesting to see, I guess. I'll take your roof out, boy. See that one coming. Hey, buddy. Oh, I just cut him off. I can't turn. Okay, we're relying on the walls to turn me now, guys. This is good. How is this working so well, actually? Dude, the walls are turning me so well until I just randomly combusted and died for no reason. We don't talk about that, though. RKO. Ooh, I unlocked more vehicles. I took his whole front out. I took his whole front end out. That is insane. Yep, there it is. 2 times money. Let's go. And by the way, guys, I'm not doing anything. And like, I didn't pay Robux to be good at the game or anything. The only thing I spent Robux on was to get neon lights to make my car look better. This is all purely based on skill. And luck. Luck too. There's always a portion of luck in there somewhere. Come on. Bro, why does everybody always want freeze tag? I mean, I guess I'm fine with it because I can outrun everybody so easily. Dude, the police car is so overpowered. I don't know why they even allow you to use it. It's just overpowered, guys. Like, I'm not lying, it's just overpowered. It's just like, bro, really? It's overpowered. Why is this overpowered, man? That car, I love hitting that car. That car and that car. That car's an insta-kill. That is if, you know, you're not running from him or hitting him. It would have been funny if these two were hunting us. Oh, that would be great, bro. Imagine being hunted by these tiny things. Oh, that'd be great. Mr. Beast should do something like this, like a freeze tag in real life. Okay. I'm gonna flank you guys if you don't mind me. Dang it, bro. Can people not box me in, bro? Dude! Really? Come at me, bro. Okay, I just need to survive 1 minute. Oh, let's go. I can get a whole downward view on these guys. I may not get in the leaderboard, but do this on my face. Haha. Okay. Okay, I found another good hiding spot. There's another guy coming over to hide with me. Use my cop horn. Bye-bye. Watch out, guys. There's a guy coming. Ha! Get your ankles, bro. I was able to get free saves at the end there. So I might actually be able to get on the leaderboard because of how many saves I got. Let's see. Haha. Haha. Podiums. Oh my god. I'm in the ceiling, bro. Oh, that's funny. Alright, I'll do one more match, guys. See? Yeah. Because I saved those 3 people, I was able to get on the leaderboard. And I came in first place. Let's go. Team deathmatch, please. Alright, I'll do this match and then I gotta cut the video before it gets too long. Oh no. I can't get that one. I can't get that one either. That one's like the most expensive one, bro. Well, I guess I'll get this one because I like how this one looks. I feel like this one could drift faster or something, I don't know. It looks like it could drift for some reason. Come on, Mark. Well, I don't know why, but every time I see the word Mark, it reminds me of Markiplier for no reason. It's so funny, bro. Rip Candide. X Tumo X. She wants Astro, Bees, Chrome Core, Brady Thunder, American. Yay, I didn't get to read the rest. I'm gonna shoot you in the back of the head. Oh, please don't. Dude. Why am I being targeted, huh? Dude, you teamers. Dude, what the flip, man? Dude! What jerks? They're teaming! This is why I hate tanks, bruh. Everybody always teams. That poor guy's getting teamed too. Tired of everybody getting flipping teamed by everything. Can't play the game like you're supposed to. No, everybody has to team on each other. Wow. Dude, I hate them. Yeah, I don't have a chance of coming on the leaderboard. In fact, I was the first person to flip and die. Can't look at the flipping leaderboard. Dude, 2 minutes. Come on, bro. Well, whatever. It's not like I have anything better to do, so I'll end the video right now while I still got time before the next match. So, leave a like, subscribe, and turn notifications on so you can know when my videos upload. And like always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.